Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Stay in the car. Step out, face away from us, do it now.
Hey, Atlanta police, stop, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, man. Put your hands up.
Today's episode is all about dramatic arrests where police officers deliver live action captured on body cam. All suspects are called by police. In first video, officer witnesses drug transaction and chases down dealer on foot. Footage is delivered by Milwaukee PD.
I got it. Oh no, now go to the alley from 1863 Field. Back there. Now go to the alley. One more ground for 1863 Field. 1863 Field. Now 1963 Field. One more ground. Nice that. I will fucking tase it. Shots fired. It's gonna be a shot fired. Put your hands behind your back. We're gonna be 1306 South 19th Street. One in custody. Got one firearm recovered. You shoot?
No, I didn't.
You?
Get a sergeant here.
Get a sergeant over here.
Three young suspects in the armed robbery of an Ormond area gas station have been identified and arrested, with the final suspect taken into custody.
Can I ask what I'm being arrested for?
Perfect. Don't put your arms behind your back.
Can I talk to my family?
Yeah. You got anything on you we should know about? What's in your pocket?
Probably a little bit of bud.
A little bit of bud? Everybody in the car, hands up. Turn the car off. Do it now. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Step out, face away from us. Do it now. Stop. Step to your right. Keep stepping. Keep stepping. Keep stepping. Stop. Walk straight back.
APD units arrest luggage thief at Hartsfield Jackson International Airport.
No. Turn around. Turn around.
I want to take man.
Well, you got him. What you gonna do with him?
No, I'm finna.
Turn around. Why you making it lay on the ground?
Okay, hard.
Put your arm behind your back.
Yeah.
Put your arm behind your back.
Okay. Oh, you gonna do it now?
Yes, sir.
So don't get ugly with me now. I'm the wrong button. You hear me? Yes, sir. I'm the wrong one now.
Two, three, three, four, extra radio.
Now you gonna play me on my side.
Two, three, three,
You about to see me, dog. Now you ain't gonna play me.
No, sir. No, sir.
You gonna play me?
No, sir. No, sir.
You gonna play me on my side?
No, sir.
Two, three, three, four, extra radio. Okay, show them the time. You want to take two bags off the dog cash. One's gonna be yellow, one's gonna be blue.
Call the rest.
Have Delta, let's go to the precinct.
Cut it.
An off-duty Atlanta police officer who was working neighborhood patrol was alerted to a suspicious male seen entering unoccupied vehicles and also pulling on multiple door handles.
Maybe inside this building right here at 2001 Peachtree. Hey, Atlanta police, stop. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands, man. Put your hands up. Stop. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Stop. Turn around. Turn around.
I'm not doing nothing to nobody.
I know. I'm just going to detain you for a second. Just relax. Turn around.
Hold on.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm chilling, Finny.
All right, just relax. Just relax.
I'm gonna go.
I don't know. Hey, I don't know who you are. Just relax.
What's wrong with you?
Give me the other hand. Don't fight with me.
I'm not doing nothing to nobody.
All right. Just relax. Somebody said you was pulling on car door handles and walking up and down driveways.
Upon arrival, officers spoke with a male who witnessed an unknown male suspect rummaging through his neighbor's vehicle. The suspicious male exited the vehicle holding items that appeared to be a cell phone and a white box, believed to be taken from the vehicle. He was charged with theft from motor vehicle, burglary, and possession of narcotics.
Bro, put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Just put your hands up. Just put your hands up. I understand. Just chill, bro.
Put your hands behind your back, bro. Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, all right.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Grab his hand.
I'll make it easier.
Turn around, man. Turn around.
I'm trying to ask what's going on.
I'll tell you in a minute. 12 10. Show one back now. So where you coming from, boss?
From over there.
From over where?
The place that makes the burgers over there.
Okay. And what were you doing in those people's car?
I was in nobody's car.
You was in nobody's car?
No.
Okay. You got some ID on you?
Yeah.
Where's it at? You can just tell me.
You got to unbutton my thing? No.
What is this?
That's my money to get on the bus.
So where's it at?
It's right there.
Don't reach.
I'm just trying to help you, man.
Okay, just tell me where it's at. I don't need you to reach for anything.
With this clip we conclude yet another episode on Caught by Police channel. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning some new things. If you support our work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Until the next episode, take care and respect the law.